job is to find and select suppliers for industrial products and manufacturing services. Bainub Platform provides the tools and information you need to get the job done right. Register for free to access a comprehensive, all-in-one platform designed for industrial sourcing. Use our search engine to find industrial products and specialized manufacturing processes such as CNC machining, plastic injection molding, metal fabrication, packaging, industrial equipment, and more. Access a network of verified suppliers from Mexico, the United States, and Canada. Connect directly with suppliers through our messaging center. Discuss technical specifications, lead times, and order details directly with the manufacturer. Source from regional manufacturers with export-ready operations. No commissions, no intermediaries, just efficient, direct negotiations. Join Bainub today and become part of the industrial network that connects buyers and manufacturers across North America.